Hello dear students, I welcome you all to this video. So today we are solving another competency based question based on linear equation 2 variable. This may be asked as case study question. So the question will come on the screen very slowly so that you can read it, you can understand it, you can try yourself. If you are not able, then I am there to help you. To high market demand, a manufacturer decide to introduce a new line of frying pan by using existing factory space and retraining some employees. Fixed costs are estimated at rupees 84,000 per month. The components to assemble and test each frying pan. Each frying pan is expected to run rupees 450 per unit. If market research shows consumers are to pay at least rupees 690 for this product, find the questions are: how many units must be made, sold each month to break even, 1,050, 700, 350 to 30. Second question is, what is the revenue required to break even? Rupees 1,98,400, 1,26,800, 3,21,600, 2,41,500. So if you are able to do, you can pause the video, you can solve yourself. So let us read the question again. Due to high market demand, the manufacturer decided to introduce a new line of frying pan. By using existing factory space and retraining some employees, fixed costs for this is 84,000 per month. This is the fixed charge per month. The components to assemble the test each frying pan is 450 per unit. For making one frying pan, it is the variable charge for each frying pan is 450. And from market research, it shows that consumers are willing to pay at least 690 per this. That means he can sell it rupees 690 for each. Then question is, how many units must be made? How many frying pans should be made so that to break even? So this is the word break even means when investment is equal to revenue. Revenue means earning. Simple word, we say when break even means when earning is equal to spending. I'm spending some money, I'm getting the same as your earning. That means there is no profit. That time we say it is break even. So here there are two unknown quantities. One is how many units of frying pan, that we can take as X, and what is next is what is the revenue. Revenue means how much he is earning by selling. So let frying pan be X and total revenue be total Either revenue you can say, or you can say the investment, because they are same. By. When I go for investment, this y is equal to, for 84,000 the fixed price, fixed costs he has to spend, plus per prime brain he is spending 450, so it will be x prime brain, it will be 450x. This is equation 1. And when he is selling, he is getting 690 per prime brain, so it will be y is equal to 690x. So this is equation 2. So this is very simple now. 690 making equal 690x is equal to 450x plus 84,000. So what about x? I'll write 690, I'm writing here. 690x minus 450x is equal to 84,000. Dx is equal to 84,000, or x is equal to 84,000 250 cancel 24, 3 times 72, 50. So 350 units. Where is the answer? C is answer. 350 unit you will sell. Now what is the total revenue? We got to break even. Total revenue means is selling 690 unit. So it will be 690 multiplied by 690 per unit and 350 unit. So you multiply this. Multiply how much we're getting? 69 into 35. Four 1500. So what is the answer? D is answer. So I hope it is clear. So thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Again, we'll meet shortly in another video.